If you're struggling with your ads, don't worry, I gotcha. Meet Claude Ads, a comprehensive paid advertising audit and optimization skill for Claude Code. It covers Google Ads, Meta, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Microsoft Ads with over 190 audit checks, industry-specific templates, and also parallel sub-agent delegation. Quite easy to install. You can just copy this. You can open your terminal. You can just paste it here. Boom, and done. Let me show you how it works. To start, it's very easy, guys. Check it out. After you install the skill, and you need to launch Claude Code in any of your IDEs, that being Cursor, Anti-Gravity, Warp, or even your terminal, as you see right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just put here /ads, for example. Oh my goodness, ads right here. And I'm gonna choose, let's say, ads plan for the sake of this demo. So right now, what will happen, I'm gonna plan an ad for, let's say, for my SaaS, for Rankenstein Pro, because it's brand new, it's there, and I would like to promote it. I want to build that brand awareness. So here, I'm gonna just even zoom in so you'll be able to see, like, it's asking, what type of business are you planning ads for? SaaS, e-commerce, local, B2B. I would choose because it's a SaaS. Frankenstein is a SaaS. What is your primary advertising goal? Here, I would choose brand awareness because it's just brand new. Yeah, it's asking also what is your monthly advertising budget range, under 5K, over 20 or 100. I'm gonna just choose other. I'm gonna put here $1,000, for example, per month. Here, are you currently running any paid ads? No, starting fresh. Submit answer, and that's it. Right now, oh my goodness, right now the agent is running. I just pressed the wrong button, guys. So right now the agent is running, and straight away it's asking, hey, can I read these? Yes, yes, yes. So we're just gonna put even this. I'm gonna change to bypass permission right here, so don't need to always press on accept. So he's reading these files, basically the skills. I'm gonna just ensure right here. So he's reading the SaaS MD file, the budget allocation, and also conversion tracking. Yeah, because before he asked us some questions, we answered, we just press yes, no, maybe, perhaps. And then afterwards, he checked his skills. He's like, okay, so it's a SaaS. He has a budget over around $1,000, give or take, and other questions. So right now, straight away, he's asking another list of questions right now. Yeah. So is your SaaS product a B2B, selling to businesses, or B2C, selling to consumers? So I'm gonna put here both, PLG. Now, hey, can you produce short video content? So hey, can you or you cannot? I mean, anyone can create short videos, but some of them maybe cannot. Maybe they're too shy to speak to the camera right now. Yeah. So let's say here, I'm going to choose yes. In-house, I can create videos for internal sources. Next is choosing what does your SaaS product do and who is the ideal customer. So here, I'm going to just put here, check Rankenstein.pro website. Yeah, because this is the website of Rankenstein.pro. I mean, it's more than enough. In this case scenario, let's say if you're a plumber, or if you have plumber or some local or other local service, or maybe an e-commerce site, you can just put your website link. And as you can see right now here, you can see that, hey, it's web patching right now, Rankenstein.pro, which is the website itself. Then he's thinking. So here you can see like, hey, now I have all the data. Now I have all the data I need. Let me craft a realistic, honest strategy for a SaaS company with $1,000 per month budget, focused on brand awareness, starting fresh. Yeah, based on the questions that we answered for. And here is key considerations: $1,000 per month, brand awareness, starting fresh, need to be very focused, one platform max, maybe two of them right now. Yeah. So with $1K per month for SaaS brand awareness, so LinkedIn is too expensive, Google search is conversion focused, Meta, Facebook, Instagram is the best for awareness and low budgets, and YouTube could work for awareness but needs video content. TikTok will work if they have video content capability right now. Yeah. So this is also based on his internal knowledge, and now he is starting crafting the ads for us. So look at that. So even he's thinking on even again zoom in, so we'll be able to see. So now I have a clear picture. Rankenstein.pro, AI SEO content engine. So if I'm going to go right now to Rankenstein.pro, I'm just going to even show you around. So I'm going to go here, Rankenstein.pro, because this is one of the SaaS that we're currently building, me and Benjamin. It's a blog creator right now. Yeah. So he scraped the site. So he entered on this website, he checked the homepage, he already got exactly what this business is about, and then he started crafting the ads plan for us. I'm going to zoom in back so I'll be able to see exactly his thinking, because it's very important, guys. Maybe if you're used, let's say, to these N10 workflows, perhaps, yes, N10 is also amazing. I will not deny it. But here, I mean, if you want to go to the new age, because I would say these agentic workflows, they're damn fantastic if you know exactly how to set them up, yeah? So he created the plan for us. So he's like, hey, update to-dos, create an ad strategy, campaign architecture, create a budget plan, and then a creative brief right here. So maybe let's say you don't want to go for LinkedIn. Maybe you want to go for, let's say, YouTube, only YouTube. You can definitely just say to a message, hey, listen, I want to go only for YouTube. I'm damn all in on YouTube, for example, right now. Or maybe if you want to go only for Google Ads, is just a matter of sentence, if really. It's just a matter of thoughts, a prompt, really. So just put a prompt, anything you want, you can do that. Also, if you want to have a PDF, you can do PDF. If you want to connect it through an MCP server, straight away to Google Analytics, you can also do that. So you can easily just build on top of this Claude Ads skill with ease. So anything you want can be done only if you request it properly. So for that, it's required a little bit of prompt engineering, but I think anyone can do that because I think you're texting every day, right, on WhatsApp or Messengers or Instagram. So definitely you can do that. You just give it some time. You just check here and there, and it will give for you the perfect plan. And so you can create the best performing ads, right? So I'm going to just stop right now. I'm going to fast forward. So we're going to see the results. Okay, guys. So currently he has finished, and let's see exactly what he crafted right here. I'm going to even zoom in right now. And here we have a strategy overview. Here is platform, Meta only, Facebook and Instagram, the right call at $1,000 per month. So he thought about our, let's say, budget. In this case scenario was 1,000, because if I will have provided, let's say, maybe 2,000, 3,000, or 4,000, of course, he would recommend maybe Google Ads or any other ads. And Google search, 1.5K if you want to go, but are too expensive for this budget. So expected results at 1K per month is 70, 80,000 impressions per month, 11K video views, okay, per month, 200, 400 website visits per month, and also cost per 1K reach is around $25 to $33, which is quite well, you know. So deliverable created, but here we have the ad strategy. It's a full strategic plan. So competitive landscape, platform rationale. So if I'm going to open even this right now, here you can see it's a markdown file, by the way, because Claude, he likes markdown. He is big in markdown like crazy, even his skills are in markdown. But let's say maybe for you, because maybe you're a non-technical person, you don't like markdown. Guys, don't worry. You just close this. You go here and say, hey, I want to have a PDF well set and designed with graphs, for example, right now. Yeah, and that's it. Right now, we can just wait for it to craft the PDF, so it's going to be easier for us to read it. And if you want to have anything else, except the images and videos, because Claude cannot generate those images yet, or if you want to maybe connect an MCP server to it, or maybe some API keys to generate those videos even, you can do that. Here, the only limit is your imagination. So let's wait for a bit. You're going to convert now everything into a well-set PDF, and I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, guys, so the agent just now finished, and let me show you exactly what I thought. But before that, let's see through his thinking for you to understand exactly how he generated the PDF. I'm going to try to zoom in. So let me show you just around. So here is like, hey, I'll create a professional design HTML report charts and convert it to PDF right here. So he's doing his thinking, he's analyzing, and then he's creating the Python script, by the way, for the PDF generation. And then he's generating the PDF report with charts. Going more down, he has created the PDF. And then he's generating the PDF with charts, and then he's reading each and every part of PDFs right here. If I'm going to open, even he created here the charts, etc. He's like, oh shit, wait a moment. There are a few stuff which are not proper, not well arranged. Let me fix that. And then he checked those and he fixed those by himself. I was not here at all. So this whole process took like around, how long? Maybe 3 minutes, I would say, for him to generate this full PDF. So let me try to open it. Oops, right here. Where was it? Right here. This is exactly what sort of report he has created, even in the style of Frankenstein. So let's see around. So paid advertising strategy. So for Frankenstein.pro, AI, SEO, content engine, strategic plan, right? Monthly budget, platform meta, goal awareness, timeline 12 weeks. Cool. Nice. So prepare for Daniel and Benjamin. Here we go right now. So here we have the executive summary for the Frankenstein budget reality. Right now, he's also competitive landscape. He checked for competitors. Guys, how cool is that? So he's not just fluffing here, not just, oh my goodness. He researched online, the internet. He checked for competitors, and beautiful. We got also information about the competitors, also right here. And going more down, messaging wedge. So the only AI content engine that starts with SERP research, not a blank prompt, because that's correct. And we have the overall ads plan right now, even with charts, even in our own style, if really. Okay, launch now, lowest CPM is in January, March. So let's see if you want to start right now. Wow. I mean, beautiful report, beautiful charts. If really, I mean, this is mostly like what an ad agency is doing. And afterwards, I can just build on top of that. We have a full plan of action in regards to advertisement. He's giving us metrics. He's giving us what to do. I'm like, and of course, if you want something else, maybe you want to go for Meta, you can just easily say, hey, listen, I don't want to go for Meta, but I want to go for Google Ads with YouTube. I'm going to make a lot of shorts and I want to do it for 2 weeks. Let's plan that. course, you can do that one also. As I mentioned before, your only limit is your imagination. So like that, let's say if you have maybe some existing ads, maybe I'll try, by the way, even to launch this on the current ads video. So I'm going to use Claude Ads to run ads on this video. So if you've seen this video to run ad, I mean, you can see exactly it targeted you in a way. But just saying you like, hey, everything is possible. It's not like, oh my goodness, it's put in stone. I will do only these. If you want to have anything else, maybe you want to have some feedback on the ads that you're currently creating, or the videos on TikTok or whatever you're doing, even pictures. And if you want to have maybe some text, some titles, some descriptions, some research in regards to those ads, Cloudy Ads can do that for you. So even now I say like, hey, I want to go for YouTube. How should we split the $1,000 between Google search and YouTube right now? Yeah, let's do for 60/40, recommended as per Cloudy Code. He has that knowledge because his whole base knowledge, I'm going to even show right here, it's based on research. Here we have 4 documents. Again, I'm going to zoom in. So 4 documents right here that this whole agent skill was created from. It's over 2,500 websites, by the way, give or take, in regards to the best ads practices. And again, of course, it's in Markdown because Claudia likes Markdown. And guys, this is just one example how I'm planning ads with Claudia Ads, but of course, you can do a lot more. I will even try to zoom in this part right here. You can also read the Git. So you can go once again to the Git, try to install these ads. If you want to run any sort of ads, you don't need to have a budget of 1,000 just for information. You can do even for $50 or $100 if you want to bring some more clients. But I know for sure that this skill will definitely help you in the long run. So I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger right here. Ooh, almost, maybe here, like this and like this. Guys, once again, this is Cloudy Ads. As you see right here, it's the ultimate ads agency skill, you can say, for Cloudy Code. You can just download it. It's there for free for you guys. So you can run it, you can test it, you can make it even better, try to fork it, try to maybe make some improvements. Maybe not only Python, maybe you can add also here some MCP servers, but it's there. And I hope you're going to like it. Drop a like, drop a comment, and see you next time.